to tackle, and honestly I should probably just be taking a lunch break, but I wish I could. It's almost like someone else is in charge of what I do because I can't seem to settle or relax until I check off my list. And I don't know, does anyone else have that same struggle? I seriously envy the people who can just be calm and do what they want when they need to do it. Anyhow, the next thing I want to do is get this tree decorated so that I can kind of get the dining room back, get all these bins out. This is the last area of decorating, besides the coffee bar, hot chocolate bar, and then I'll just be able to enjoy the holiday. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Decorating the tree just because I'm not in the mood for it, and I would rather decorate a tree when I guess I'm more jolly and, you know, just in the spirit. I don't just want to throw things up because I have to get it done. So I stopped myself taking a break and I went ahead and vacuumed the dining room, and I'm going to add this candle in here. I just need some candles going on. I noticed that when Loxie's sleeping in my room, like the next day, I can really smell the dog smell. So it's time for her bath, basically. And yeah, so I'm gonna add this. I don't know where, I don't have room on that back table. So I think I'm just gonna like randomly set it right here, like it's fine. And as much as it pains me to have to remake my daughter's bed, I have to wash the sheets. If you did not see the video on me redecorating her room for Christmas, I just put up the sheets, you know, for the purpose of the video, but they need to be washed because they're brand new. So here's the bed. I took the sheets straight out of the packaging and threw it on here, again for the video. So I need to take the fitted sheet, this sheet, and then the pillows and get those washed. And then we have to make this bed all over again. All right, we got our sheets. I get the light closed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the washer right now. So hopefully in the next hour, we'll be coming right back up, and that will be another task off my to-do list.
Okay, maybe once or twice a day since I was 8 years old.
No, we were, that's it. No, we could do it anywhere. I wouldn't care.
So I'm on my way to see my niece, and let me roll that up so you guys can hear me. What I ended up doing was I sat down, had a sandwich, and then my daughter's sheets came out of the dryer, and I already got those put back on her bed. So all of that got done, and I'm gonna continue the ornament decorations tonight or tomorrow morning, and then get all of that put away. But my back is killing me right now, and I'm trying not to let myself go here, but I keep thinking, what if this is it? Like, what if I experience this pain for the rest of my life? And I really don't want that to be the case. So my doctor said it was back spasms, and when I looked it up, it said that if you experience back spasms that you'll basically like get them again. But I basically need to go to the gym. I need to start going back to the gym, and I have to really follow like his strict orders now. Like there will be no running, there will be no impact to my back, no squats, no leg curls or whatever. I can't do anything where I'm lifting above my head. So I need to go strengthen my back muscles basically. And that's pretty much what I can do. There's like some lower body stuff I can do, but nothing like the leg curls. I think I can do a leg press, but not a leg curl because that would too much strain on my back. I can't wait to see my niece, and I don't know if I'll get any clips or not. I don't think I'm technically babysitting. I think I'm hanging out with like all of them. Usually they'll go out, and I'm gonna have to call it an early night because just sitting in this car, I almost turned around and went back home. Sitting like this makes it so much more worse. Like if I stand up, it goes away, but sitting, I don't know, there must be some sort of pressure or something happening, maybe, and it's triggering the spasms. I'm not sure what's going on, but I need to tell my chiropractor that when I sit, it seems to be a lot worse, and it just feels like this massive amount of pain slash pressure, and all you want to do is move until you find relief. And when you move and you can't find relief, it almost can create like this anxiety feeling because there's nothing you can do to make yourself feel better. And I'm back home, so I didn't actually get any clips of being there. I just wanted to spend some time with her, and we had a ball. And I die whenever she screams for me and she runs to like throw herself at me. I live for that little girl. I don't know, just the girls in my lives are, anyway, she's a cutie. But I wanted to just end this vlog and show you guys that I threw up some more decorations, and I'll talk about that and throw the camera around so that you can see it. So obviously you're not gonna get the best look at this at nighttime right now, but you know what? I just threw ornaments up. I had a smaller tree, so I have a ton of ornaments, but then it just wasn't making sense. I had trains, I had rocking chairs, and just, you know, it was just a lot, and I didn't have enough plain ornaments for it to not be such a standout, I guess. So next year I have a plan for this tree now. So I'm going to need to buy a ton of white ornaments, bigger ornaments, and red ornaments, and then I'm gonna do a plaid for this tree. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like the traditional plaid that I really love. And yeah, so it'll be fun trying to decorate this. We're gonna ribbon the tree too next year, and we're gonna keep that stocking. So it'll be like the white and red room, which I'm really excited about because I don't use white in my other tree, and I really do love it. So it's like my opportunity to just experience other styles.